Hey guys, I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're doing the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro. So this is, of course, the new iPhone 12 Pro that just came out. I just got mine today just because the Pros have been sold out through Apple, and I bought mine unlocked. So as you can see, this is the 128 gigabyte model, and like I said, it's the 12 Pro. So let's get into it, guys. You can use it with any carrier since it's the unlocked variant, and I did get the graphite one. So it's basically going to be space gray. Here's the back of it, of course, with everything. 128. Nothing on the bottom except for the Apple logo. Same thing on the top. So as you can definitely see, it's a lot thinner case than previously, just because it doesn't come with headphones or a charging brick, just with the cable. You'll see once we actually open this up. So let's go ahead and do this, guys. Always like that little noise. And put that aside, and let's go ahead and start opening it. So I actually wanted the Pacific Blue at first, but that one was definitely sold out. So I'm like, I think I'll just get the graphite, and thank God I did. My friend has this one, and it looks beautiful. Look at this thing, guys. Super, super shiny. Let me do a close-up. So as you can see, I actually do like this color. It's graphite. That's what they call it. Of course, you have the triple camera setup, the LiDAR, and then the flash as well. So it's pretty snazzy. Let's put that aside right now. Let's see what we actually get inside the packaging. So as you can see, guys, you just get it designed by Apple in California, and then of course a new charger, Type-C to a Lightning, and that is literally it. This box is so light. There's nothing else, guys. That's funny. I mean, no brick, no headphones. Yeah, I understand nobody really uses the headphones, but still, it would have been nice to get them, you know. And then here's the phone. This is what caught me by surprise, guys, how shiny this is. Look how shiny that is. So on the right, of course, you do have your power button right here. On the left, you have your volume up, volume down, and then this is your silent key. So you put a vibrate. As you can see, me just touching this, it's lots of fingerprints, guys. Fingerprint magnet galore right here. Look at that, jeez. Of course, on the bottom, which is pretty nice, it shows you that there is a lightning down there. So that's where you'll connect your lightning, and then two firing speakers on the bottom, and then of course on the front to get the surround sound. So that's basically it. And like I said, it's a fingerprint magnet, so I will have to clean it a little bit, make sure it looks good. But that is basically it, guys. Let me peel this off. Wow. I must say, guys, this phone feels very premium in the hand. As you can see, there it is. Very nice. Definitely the sides, like I said, just you get fingerprints everywhere. So I did get a case. I'm going to put that on in just a little bit. But feels sturdy, guys. And hopefully it's as good as it looks, you know. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and Dragonic Warfare sign off. Let me know more in the comments below what you think. Thank you.